Just want to show a few things with this that I didn't show in the other video. I want to show the hard sync on it. Let me turn it back on. Oh, by the way, this also this has an internal power supply, so you just it'll come with a 12-volt AC wall wart power supply. You just plug that in the back of the unit, and you're ready to go. No batteries. I personally don't like to dink with batteries. If I'm using this, it's going to be in the studio or whatnot, and don't got to worry about the batteries going low. Anyhow, the hard sync. Oscillator 2 is hard synced to Oscillator 1, so when Oscillator 1 resets, Oscillator 2 will also reset, which kind of gives you some little bit different timbers. Let's turn this up. I'm going to hook up the low frequency Oscillator 1 to the pitch of Oscillator 2. Turn the hard sync on. Oh, you can hear you get a little bit different sounds out of it. Let's go and disconnect this. So we get some different sounds there with that. Turn that back off. Now, one other thing I want to show is you can modulate Oscillator 1 with Oscillator 2 via this knob here. Just turn Oscillator 1 up. Just to show you real quick, I'm going to put Oscillator 2 is going to be a triangle, or sorry, not a triangle, sawtooth wave. If I turn this up, turn this down, you can hear it's a ramp, sawtooth ramp. Or you can go to a square wave. So that just kind of real quick shows you how it's modulating it. You turn Oscillator 1, you can get an Oscillator 2, you can get some just different timbers, more noise and anything. It's a neat little synth for making odd noises if you want sampling them. I use the MV8800 Roland sampler sequencer and sample sounds into it. And if you look at my MySpace, I buy a link up to it there. You'll hear some tracks I put up with the MV sequencing it. Again, I'm using a Paya MIDI to CV converter to trigger the Sound Lab here and make whatever notes that I want. And that's about it for this video. Again, thanks for looking.